Ooh. I big ugly phone. See?
Alright, guys.
I'm tired.
Stop. What? Give me the.
That's how you end.
Oh my god.
Somebody across our room. Something to play. Hi guys, I'm Nayoka and welcome to Chairs and Benches. So today we'll be doing a part 2 to the Jamaican trivia game. We'll be doing Canadian trivia.
Yeah.
So we have two teams. We have the girl team, Britts and Taylor. Woo. And then we have the boy team, Jay and Fabian. So we're going to see which team here has the most knowledge on Canada. Let's go. So the first question is, what is the capital of Canada? Team girl? The girl
Ottawa.
team. Ottawa. Alright, so they got 1 point. You never know the answer?
No, sir.
You need to know? Alright, so the next question is, what is the 2 major languages spoken in?
Bonjour.
Answer the question.
French and English.
There we go. So the boy team got 1 point.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're tied now. Next
Stop,
question
come on.
is, name 3 international artists that came from Canada. Boy team?
Don't know anything about it.
Diva. Drake.
Yeah. Come with something of it.
Oh, no bad man.
But now you don't put in the gear.
Torres.
Alright, so the boy team got that.
Sauce them up.
Hot.
Alright, so the next question is, what is the national holiday of
Canada Day.
Yeah. She was gonna get so the national holiday of Canada is called Canada Day.
Oh shit.
Alright. What is the most popular sport in Canada?
Don't know still.
Basketball.
Bruh.
No.
Yeah. So the boy team lost a point because we said basketball. Does the girl team wanna?
Hockey.
Yeah, hockey. Specific? What kind of hockey?
Ice hockey.
Ice hockey. Yeah. So the most popular sport in Canada
What is
is
going helping a brother?
ice hockey.
Shit. Basketball coming to mind, dog.
You wanna shit me?
Alright.
Answer your milk.
And Britts is having a little sneezing issue. What is the national animal of Canada?
Diva.
Okay, alright, I'm impressed.
Yeah, man.
Which Canada dollar bill holds Viola Desmond the first?
You wanna get it?
It's a $5 bill.
$5 bill wrong?
$10 bill.
$10 bill. Okay, boy team got it. So the question was,
I don't look at my bills.
which Canada dollar bill? Ready for the question? Which Canadian dollar bill holds Viola Desmond, which is the first black woman to be on a Canada's note? And the answer was a $10 bill. So the boy team got it.
Boom.
Up top.
Good job.
Jimmy?
Alright, so the next question is, what is Canada's national dish? You have 10 seconds.
Alright. Actually, I'm sorry.
Bruh.
Are you giving away points? The boy team got it wrong.
If you're wrong.
What is Canada's national dish?
National
did.
dish.
Yeah, our most popular dish.
Chicken, potatoes, and vegetables.
Bruh.
Yeah. You guys, yeah.
Bruh.
But that's just an East Coast thing, isn't it?
No, it's
It's actually us from Montreal.
poutine is Canada's national dish, or the most popular known dish invented in Canada. So we'll insert pictures of that for you guys.
It's like fries,
it's really basic.
with cheese and gravy.
Yeah, just
And
fries
some chicken.
with cheese and gravy.
You
It
should
tastes
probably
good though.
layer it.
You should probably layer. Coming from a Canadian.
Don't mix it up. It's not a soup.
Which Canadian actor starred in The Grinch Stole My Christmas?
Boss.
Yeah.
Jim Carrey.
I know.
The girls team.
I just couldn't find him there. But I never know what's Jim Carrey. I didn't know that. I didn't know.
You don't know nothing, Fabian.
I live in Canada, friend.
Yo, I can't even know what.
Where you live then?
You're not drinking, I'm going to move from your couple.
You're a freshie.
Yeah.
Alright.
Don't do drugs, kids.
What are Canada's native people called?
Aboriginal.
There we go. So the boy team got that answer right. They're called Aboriginals.
Yeah, work for mine.
Yeah, that.
We're gonna have a part 2 to this game where we'll have face-off. So we'll have a one-on-one where people will have to answer the questions and we'll clearly get to hear each person's or team who really.
Sorry, the camera.
What's going on?
Yeah, I want to drink.
So right now we'll have the face-off and we're gonna have Britts and Jay. So Fabian and Taylor, you guys could step out the frame. So this part of the game, we'll have the girl team and the boy team face off. So we'll have Britts and Jay do a face off with each other. So I'll be asking Britts a question. If she's unable to answer, Jay can steal it. If he steals it, he'll gain 2 points for his team. If he gets it wrong, he'll lose 1 point. So Britts, I hope you answer the question right because you don't want them to gain that point. So the question for you is, where is the CN Tower located?
The CN Tower?
CN Tower.
CN
It's a very popular tower in
Another Canadian tower.
Toronto.
Yep. She got it. It's time for Jay. Can you name 3 provinces in Canada?
Nova Scotia.
Yep.
Toronto.
Bruh.
Toronto.
No. Ontario.
So you get that.
Ontario, no, it was a mistake. And Vancouver.
Bruh.
No.
Vancouver.
New Brunswick. British Columbia. Yeah, give me the worst. Oh, you give me the worst. What the hell?
You want to try again?
Nope.
Alright, so the next question goes to Britts. Can you tell me how many provinces does Canada have? You're not allowed to cheat. Don't look on your teammates most. How many provinces does Canada have? Yes, that's correct. How many?
Wow!
I didn't know, so you can help me.
10 for real, okay.
10.
Okay.
Can you name 3 cities in Canada?
Halifax, Toronto. Vancouver.
Alright. Good, alright. You guys could go. You guys did well. Nobody lost a point.
That don't make no sense.
What don't make no sense? You don't. So this question goes to Taylor. In what year did Canada legalize cannabis?
2018.
Woo! That's right. Is this question too easy for you?
I'm a big weed smoker, so yeah.
You're a big reason.
I'm waiting for the legalization.
Okay, that was a historical moment for you. What is Canada's Prime Minister's first name?
Pass.
Justin. Is Canada the first, second, or third largest country in the world?
It is the third.
Wrong.
Bruh.
Does the boy team want to steal?
Yep.
Second.
Oh.
Yep. And the last question goes to Fabian.
Hey, we watching
What Canadian artist sang the song titled Baby, featuring Ludacris? You're a musician.
Nobody on this, but well, still have to take a second. Yeah, she's pretty good.
What Canadian artist sings the song Baby, featuring Ludacris?
Justin Bieber, man.
So the boy team just gained a point. Alright.
But feel like a mountain.
No, if I did the baby, but I didn't leave it.
Baby,
Who said the baby?
That baby is
I
it.
said just.
Alright guys, so congrats to the girl team for winning. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something about Canada.
Make sure to subscribe, you know.
Subscribe,
Like, comment, and share. Share our videos.
And we want to thank Taylor for being a part of our video. You know, it's good to have a Canadian reference on our YouTube channel. Our aim is to entertain and inform. Thank you so much. Keep supporting, keep commenting. I don't know if you guys are afraid to comment. Please comment. We like the comments. Thank you guys so much. Bye.